Hello everyone. How do I fix this one? I have tried the 3 times on and off, but still not working. So I'll try this one. Okay, and then okay, so I'm going to turn it off. Um, and then restart it. Turn it on again. And then turn it off for the second time. Turn it on again for the third time. And turn it off for the third time. And I'm going to turn it again. But I have done this already, I think thrice, but still the repair button will not show up. So I don't know how to fix this one anymore. The last time we encountered this problem, we were able to fix it based on the YouTube vlogs, but for now it's not already working. So what am I supposed to do with this one? Is it already a sign that I have to bring this one to a technician so that it will be repaired? So I hope you can help.